Don't mind the dust. I'm gonna get started on a big aspect of the project truck that I'm working on. That's changing the interior color. So you can see I got a gray interior, and anybody that knows these trucks, this upper vent always cracks and breaks. What I did a while ago is I actually reinforced it and glued it up just so it stays that way. But the end goal of this is to paint everything black. I'm going black interior just like a modern truck. So these trucks came in blue, red, tan, and gray. I think I got the best of the four, but it's gonna be even better when I make it black. So the dash is the easy thing because it's just plastic, nothing to it. Give it a really good scuffing, paint it like how I normally would. The problem is I got door panels and I got this airbag where this outer piece is some sort of vinyl. You can see on the back, it's actually black. So anybody with experience with some sort of vinyl dye or a vinyl specific paint, any help if you point me in the right direction is greatly appreciated, because I want to get this sprayed or dyed first so then I can color match the rest of the dash to match that. See, you can even see right there. That's the assembly of the instrument panel. CK gray. What the C and the K means, if it's a C, it's a two-wheel drive truck, or if it's a K, it's a four-wheel drive truck. So if you see it going C1500 or K1500, it'll tell you if it's a two or a four-wheel drive. I'm sure a lot of you's dads had one of these, but who remembers this cup holder? Bam. Now that is old school. Now that dash is ready for paint. What I ended up using is just degreaser with the power brush. Cleaned it off really well, and I gave it a really good scuffing with a red Scotch-Brite pad, making sure, especially in there, all those edges, make sure I get those, because that's where it's going to start peeling first if you don't get into all of that first. And getting in here, I went back and forth 20 times on every single one of those. Not like it matters too much because it's just going to be sitting there up by the glass, but gotta make sure everything sticks.